Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to book American Airlines with Avios. First, I need you to know that this option isn't available on American Airlines itself. So instead of doing it on American Airlines, what you can do is to simply go and search for British Airways on your browser. So I will go and open British Airways, and this is the only way that you can actually use in order to get a flight with Avios. So I'm going to click on accept all, and now you will have to click on book, and now go and click on book a flight with Avios, and you will be able to book a flight with Avios. But now let's mimic this process. I will simply click on one way, then click here from New York City, for example, then to Dubai, and enter the port, the date, the number of passengers, etc. Then click on find flights, and after that you will find many options. You can choose any one of them, and it will show exactly how much money will it take and how much will it take with Avios. So here, as you can see, this one right here is with American Airlines. When you see this logo, it means that it is with American Airlines. Just click on view details to show all the details, and you can book it with Avios. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get all the new videos. Leave us a good comment and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new tutorial.